Have you ever found an old family photo that is blurry, scratched, faded, or even damaged? Maybe it is your parents' wedding photo, your childhood memories, or your graduation pictures. What if I told you that AI can restore those memories in just one click? Today, I am testing Vmake Labs Photo Restoration. See if it can really bring old memories back to life. I will show you the complete process, real before and after results, and whether it is actually worth using. Let's get started. Vmake Labs is an AI-powered creative platform that helps you restore old photos and enhance images without needing Photoshop or editing skills. And what makes it stand out from other restoration tools is how accessible it is. You do not need any technical background, any design experience, or any understanding of how image processing works. The platform handles everything behind the scenes, so the only thing you need to bring is the photo itself. It can automatically remove scratches, repair damaged faces, add realistic colors to black and white photos, reduce blur and noise, remove wrinkles and fading, and fix photo aspect ratio. Go to Vmake Lab and select Photo Restoration. Now upload your older blurry image. I am using an old damaged family photograph. That is it. The AI starts processing automatically. No manual editing, no brushing, no masking. Everything is handled by AI. What is happening behind the scenes during this processing is genuinely impressive. The AI is analyzing every pixel of your damaged photograph. All of that complex analysis happens automatically in the background while you simply wait a short time for the result. Processing only takes a short time. Now download the restored image. Let's compare the results. Look at the difference. Before, scratches everywhere, faded colors, blurry face, low quality. After using Vmake Labs, faces look much sharper, colors are restored naturally. Scratches disappear, the photo looks almost brand new. Honestly, it is impressive considering it only took one click. The restored version genuinely looks like something a professional photo restoration specialist would charge significant money to produce manually. Seeing the before and after side by side makes it very clear just how much work the AI is doing in that short processing time. This tool is perfect for restoring family portraits, vintage film stills, old World Cup player images, and pet memories. If you have boxes full of old photographs at home, this is probably one of the easiest ways to preserve them digitally. Think about all the photographs sitting in albums, in shoeboxes, in storage images that represent irreplaceable moments that exist nowhere else. Vmake Labs gives you a fast and simple way to digitally preserve all of those memories before they deteriorate further. Here are my favorite features. AI colorization turns black and white photos into realistic color versions. This feature alone is remarkable because it does not just apply a generic color filter, it intelligently analyzes the content of the photo and applies contextually appropriate colors to skin tones, clothing, backgrounds, and objects. Face repair restores damaged faces naturally. Wrinkle and scratch removal automatically cleans damaged photos. Aspect ratio adjustment makes old photos fit modern formats so you can share them on social media or print them in contemporary sizes without awkward cropping. Everything happens automatically without complicated editing. If you are looking for an easy AI tool to restore old memories, Vmake Labs definitely worth trying. It is beginner-friendly, fast, and produces surprisingly good results with just one click. The fact that results of this quality are achievable in minutes rather than hours and without any editing skills whatsoever makes this one of the more genuinely useful AI tools I have tested recently. Give it a try and let me know your results in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools and productivity content. After testing this, I can tell you Vmake Labs is the best AI tool. You can try Vmake Labs Photo Restoration using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.